Okay. Boy, this is taking longer than I thought, but hey, I'll get her. Never a doubt. Go up one more. Okay. So I just screw this top one in, hold my mouth just right, make sure it doesn't split. I don't think it will because I pre-drilled it. And if I mimic that, because I'm going to put a screw in here. The bottom, I got to screw in a little bit, the top one screw out. That. Oh. Screw the top one back in. Well, I might have to take that top screw out, but I got it. I still got it in there. Got it shoved in about a little 1/8 of an inch or so. I gotta just make it line up. I could also, remember this edge right here is bowed out like that. So maybe I should rasp. I could rasp some of that off. Here. I got that. It doesn't, actually it doesn't look that bad. I just fill that up. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll hold that like that. And then I'm going to put a screw up this way. And then I've got to see where this is. I'm wondering if I should hit that. See, I think I could hit that. Not where the crack is, but up above the crack. Put a screw like right in here, and then once I caulk that, caulk this, caulk down here, it's not going to go anywhere, right? That's what I'm going to do. Okay, got myself a nice little game plan here, probably about right there with my screw. And then on this one, I'll put it right about there. And see that, I can just use a sheetrock screw, and I've got some, I've got silver, I've got black, and I've got galvanized. See the black? I usually use these the drywall screws for all kinds of shimming, and I could use them here too because I'm going to be covering them up, so I'm not too concerned because I don't think they're going to rust. But see, I had some, and these are galvanized, and I could use these. See, hot rust. I did some deck repairs in the back, and I've got that on my channel too. I'll be having that, how to repair a dry rot deck repair or something like that. And you'll see all kinds of videos on that. I've got 2.5 inch, and I've got 3 inch. See, 3 inch there. These are 2.5. And remember when I went to the store, I got just some general purpose screws, number 8x3, coarse thread right there, and those are gold. But I could use any of those, but I'm wondering what I should actually use there, because like I say, it's all gonna be covered. It's all gonna be covered up, and so I'll figure out something, and then I'll put my screws. See, this is gonna be held up with one screw here, and I think I'm gonna have to use 3 inch. I see here's a 2.5. Actually, that should be plenty, huh? And then I'll use a 3 inch right there, and I'm just going to use a screw. I don't need to use a bolt, and that's going to hold that in. 2 things. And before I put it up there, obviously, I'll do a dry run, get it in there, then I'll take it back down, and I'll use some caulking. I'll put along this edge before I put it up. Okay, and that'll help me along the way. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.